How to create a Minecraft mod. Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you how to create a Minecraft mod. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser. Once you are in your internet browser, you are going to search the following words over at google.com. It is how to create a Minecraft mod. Hit enter. In here, on the first link, these are the steps on how to create a Minecraft mod in a few simple steps. Step 1. Join your server, and then click on the green box in the homepage or go to Play My Server. Create a mod. Step 3. Start coding. Step 4. Code the rest of the mod. And number 5. Run your mod. It sounds simple and easy, but it's gonna be tricky. But don't you worry, I know you can do it. And that's it. Hopefully you get some value in this one. And as always, please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment as well. And by the way, I'll see you on the next video.